Hi, Astor. Hi.
Hello.
Ate mo nga. Yes. Kakarating lang namin 7:20. Kamusta ang biyahe? Pagod. Ay. Sabi tatlo.
Dalawang double room, pa isang triple room.
So, apat lang talaga ito na ano?
Apat na lang.
Ano, dito na lang. Hindi ko masakit. Ang tanong, si Kuya gusto mo sumama dito. Hi, cute. Dito kami magdi-dinner muna.
Wala sila.
Kasi ito yung pinakamalaki.
Oh, may sulog pala eh.
Del, kain na tayo tayo. Kakain.
Tayo, di ba? Ang galing mo. Ma'am, kung lang namin meron ako sa tayo kasi ma'am. Bali, 200 is reminder na 200 ko lang. Bali, sa tapos ma'am, yung booking po sa amin kasi ay Tory at saka Torsy. So, inuna po muna namin yung Torsy ngayon ma'am habang maganda yung panahon. Then, tomorrow naman yung Tory natin. Tomorrow po wala na rin po kaming collection. Opo, bali yung ano na lang ma'am, yung mga kayak na lang po yung mga extra na babayaran nyo doon sa so, bali...
Ay, dito pala tayo. Kasya kami? Pito, kasya yung pito? Yung pito kasya? Hindi, babalik na dyan naman yan. Babalik na dyan.
That's very important for our safety. And then please always follow to your guide and customer because from now on you are my responsibility. And your safety is my first priority. Is that clear? Okay. And then And for those very good swimmers, please always wear the life jacket when around. If you are not good swimmer, but if you are a good swimmer, it's okay without life jacket, okay? Okay? And then okay, so this is our first stop, ma'am, sir. This is what we call Cartao Lagoon. Lagoon, ma'am, sir. Lagoon is inside there. On the right side, and then there is a beach on the left side. Okay, we're going inside by kayak, ma'am, sir. Kayak rental. 300 pesos for 2-seaters and 500 pesos for 3-seaters. And then we will spend 50 minutes to 1 hour here, ma'am, sir. 50 minutes to 1 hour. Okay?
Kalat-kalat.
Kakain na po kami. Ang pagalitan.
Okay. Then we start for. Everyone is ready. Okay. Okay. Okay, here's the.
Atak na, atak, atak. Kompleto na ba?
Drinks na lang. Then papicture tayo.
Hindi ako na yan.
Ayun na, margarita. Ay, margarita. Dito po. Avocado. Nag-video pa pala dito.
Ano yung isa?
Fries.
Loaded fries.
Grabe.